someone told me that because you're back here, and I'm not shy to repeat my sorry again. Someone told me that yesterday when I was directing, I gave somebody a hug, I gave somebody a kiss. That very sweet message said it was not negative. It was a very lovely, whoever wrote that message, I respect that person because very nice, very honest. And my daughter read it and she said, see, Dada, sometimes people feel so miscommunication. Miscommunication. मैंने खुशी से बोला बेटा solid, you're like my daughter. वो बेचारी उसको लगा शिट यार मेरे को ये किस कर दिया यार, मेरे पेशानी पे किस किया, मेरे चेहरे मेरे गाल पे किस किया, मेरे को अच्छा नहीं लगा, मैं अनकंफर्टेबल. Miscommunication. It can go wrong in the most sincere and innocent way. But you've gone wrong, you have lost it. When that happens, you correct it. Guys, correct it. Don't get into a scope कि आप समझ नहीं रहे हो, आजकल के बच्चे आप लोग मुझे सिखा रहे हो. नहीं, सॉरी, आपको लग रहा है कि वो हो रहा है. आमिर ने स्टोरी बोली, कैसे बोली, मैंने वो चेंज कर. For this in me, I couldn't understand. He says, for the life in me. Who was saying this? One of the most successful people in the game. I couldn't understand why it was happening. But he kept listening. He said, I think believe him first. But then he said, why not try it? Why am I talking about this today? Because I also learned something about communication. I can be wrong. Why can't I be wrong? अरे आप अमीन हाजी हो, कोई बड़ा नहीं. आपने देखा है द मैक्सिमम जीरोस हैव आल्सो बीन सचिन तेंदुलकर. It's life. My father used to say example is better than instruction. एग्जाम्पल दे रहा. मैंने उसको सिर्फ ये बोला, आमिर मेरे को लगता है एडिक्ट पैटर्न में ना हम लोग ऐसा दिखाते, एक शॉट हमने ऐसे किया, किसी ने वापस वो सवाल ही नहीं पूछा. You can go wrong in one cut. तो क्या बात कर रही, you know how many cuts are there in a film? Nearly anywhere around 50 to 20,000 cuts are there. एक कट को आपने आपकी फिल्म का कम्युनिकेशन चेंज कर दी. यस, इतनी बारीक होती कम्युनिकेशन. एक हब, एक प्यार का जेस्चर किसी का दिल तोड़ दिया. प्यार, लाइफ, कम्युनिकेशन. सॉरी, आई स्टैंड करेक्ट. I'll be more watchful. Acha. Guys, now I'm going to talk about before we... Guys, I want to tell all of you all something very... which I would have told my own family, my kids. I want to tell. So I'm very fond of this. I think he's really very hard. I'm very impressed with this part. He keeps coming and asking me irritating questions. He will catch me in a car while I'm driving for some podcast and again ask me for purchase. Very proud of him because he's trying his best to get what he wants. This boy, he's actually a graphic, a visual. He's an artist. He's love in lights. He's a boy who's worked in movies. He has done work in Akshay Kumar's movie, Sarfira. But he's here and he's doing all this nothing. अरे ज़रा मेरे लिए वो वीडियो प्लीज प्ले कर. अरे ज़रा प्लीज तू देख ले वो. He gives me his pen drive. We say I'll do like this. Now, what am I trying to tell you today? With all humility, and before I say it, I'm sorry I'm saying this to you. But I would have said this to my children, so I owe it to you. You know, guys, ना मैं शायर हूँ, ना मैं शायर का भतीजा. मैं हूँ मेरे माँ बाप के गलती का नती, अमीन हाजू. But I have come here, and I have come here ago, I tried my best at every step of my life to do something, to learn something, to say sorry if I burned somewhere, to, there's a very nice line in Ladakh.
मैं काम आ सकूं और का तेरी भैंस काम आवेगी। मरे तू ही तो सबसे ज्यादा काम का है। वो कैसे? अब जैसे तू गोफान घुमात है वैसे ही गोला का निशाना है तेरा धाए।
तो ही says तो तू खेलेगा? गोली asks बुआ. This is हाँ? मेरे पास तो तेरे जैसी इतनी जमीन तो है नहीं कि टुकड़ा फाड़ अरे क्यों देंगे हम भी जमीन तो हम ना ही गेट्स के देन ही आस्क्स तो हम कौन काम आ सके मैं कोनो काम आ सकूं हूँ यस तो इसे तो क्या तेरी भैंस काम होएगी व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू पे यू इस क्या मैं कोनो काम आ सकूं गाइस आई वांट यू टू रिमेंबर you know what is happening big we are all reaching your stage and we all have it even I had your boss why should I go into this I'm a bean haji no why should I answer sorry why should I say sorry I'm not intellect what nonsense how can you jump to a stupid conclusion no no amino this is पे कोई काम आ सकूँ हाँ वो कचरा उठा पड़ दे जापू उधर ताइस मेहनत कोशिश this boy is sitting here today and listen what has he learned I just being a fly in the wall guys I just did Ammi Jan's bike and I was working with two very talented kids. One is a girl, she's an editor, and one is a boy. He was going to shoot it for me. Whistling Woods, terrific. So we asked monies, we did everything. Young boys, my wife told me, work with them. The youth, they are damn, they'll come out with new ideas, they'll help you. You also like kids. I love kids. I think after you become a parent, you see everyone in a completely different light. You don't think, ये बच्चे लोग अपने वो शायद होंगी because you think your child is like that. So you don't want to judge them. It's quite amazing how it comes back to you. Now, so while I was working with her, we started work and then we used to sit together. So I used to talk about, see, I'm a very passionate. You have been watching me, how I although math is. That's me. That's how I person. So when I was working with them, I went, when I was talking about Ammi Jan, that I bought this opportunity, that I'm going to tell Amir's mummy's story. I got excited for that. During that conversation, they told me, so, I think this commitment that you're asking from us is going to be full. You say yes, beta. It's going to be full. It's going to be challenging. It's going to test you. I don't want you all to be coming out of this place. See guys, I'm here today on tomorrow. Today evening I'll be doing. I don't know if I'll meet you all again. But I pray a year fit. Kill tell you. Let's sweat and tears. So they said, such a big community issue. We don't. पूरा पैसा उनको दिया था उन लोग ने पूरा पैसा लौटा भी की बहुत अच्छे लोग लेकिन हमको कहाँ से डर लग बोले यार अम्मी की बहुत पैशनेट आदमी है यार हम लोग को तेरे साथ काम नहीं कर सकता अम्मी कि पे तेरा जो कमिटमेंट लग रहा है ना हम लोग को बट बेटा आई वांटेड टू बी द बेस्ट ईच वन ऑफ यू गेट मी हेलो ईच वन ऑफ have to make it the best. If you want, give it your best. कुछ नहीं हाँ कोशिश करने वाले कभी हार work the world is a changing everyone is saying oh but this is politically incorrect but we won't do this. See, we are here only to do this. ठीक है भाई, मैं ना नहीं दी. बहुत गलत काम हुआ है. लोग एक्सप्लॉइट किए. तो हम लोगों को किसी को एक्सप्लॉइट नहीं करनी बेटा. लेकिन उसके आड़ भी तुम लोग काम से पीछे मत. काम बहुत क्रेजी. And the world out there, better, is not about. Do you want me to like me? Because one day you will come looking for, and you might meet my daughter and tell her, you know, your daddy, he betrayed us. He came and spoke about work and the industry, and he never told us that it's not going to be an easy. Okay? Right now, these teachers are sidestepping. I make fun of them. Actually, the joke's on you. Because they are trying to keep you all, you know, they're going to be pulled up if they have confronted you. बेटा तुम बाहर काम पे निकलोगे ना और इंटर्नशिप करने आओगे ना बेटा, तो तुमको कितना बूट शॉक मिलने वाला है. क्योंकि यहाँ पे आपके रिस्पेक्ट की, आपके आज खाने को चाट, उसके वजह से वो बेचारे लोग तुम लोगों को स्पेयर कर, बिकॉज दे लव यू, बिकॉज दे रिस्पेक्ट यू, दे आर साइड. आई हेट देम, आई हैव टोल्ड देम. बट हम यू नो, तुम मत हम लोग को बोल, हम लोग समझ रहे, हम लोग लेके जो कर सकते. बट बेटा बाहर की टीम, इट्स अ jumble for to have to get into 2, 3, 4, 5. You have to eat yourself really. And why not? Okay, so why are we on? Let's ask one question. I told her, she was, Beta, do you know what the economy is? Everybody knows what money is. You're all coming here. कोई बेचारा पीजी में रह रहा है, कोई बेचारा उसके मम्मी डैडी के फीस को कैसे भी करके. You're working, you're away. Everybody who's going to give you a job is going to have the same problem, बेटो. Money. वो बोलेगा कि भाई तू और क्या करेगी, बोल अभी मेरे को बोल, क्या क्या करने वाली है तू. मैं ना, see, I am a student of Black Judo and this very posh anonymity give me the compliment. Next. आप बोलोगे मैन सर मैं सीखने आया, करे हो, मैं सीखने आई हूँ, हाथ दिखा कर मैं करके जाऊँगी. आप जो बोलिए मैं ट्राई. इफ आई फेल तो ब्रेड फिंगर इसका नाम लिख ऑप्शन में. ये लड़की मेहनत मेहनत करो. गाइस, इन ट्राइंग टू बी वोक, in trying to be cool, जान लोग जब जान हथेली पे लेके भागना पड़ता है ना. I have had a stroke. I made my move. This is what I feel that man after my move. What do you speak? My words were slurred. But I did this to achieve my active. I'm not sad. I'm not sad. मर जाएंगे मिट जाएंगे, काम कोई कर जाएंगे, मर के भी चैन न मिले तो जाएंगे यारों कहाँ. डरने का नहीं बा काम. मैं I was like a soldier fighting. Amir had told me Bhushan Kumar is producing my movie. Amir is going to do a song, a special appearance. Amir had told me, मम्मी अगर तुम्हें अच्छी नहीं बनाएंगी और नहीं कर सकते और मजबूरी हूँ, I love you, लेकिन मैं कर नहीं सकूँ. तेरी फिल्म को तुझे अच्छी बनानी होगी. जो तूने मुझे नरेशन दिया है वो स्टोरी तेरे को वहां कम्युनिकेट करनी होगी अमीन। 5 करोड़ 50 लाख रुपया मुझे भूषण कुमार ने दिए। My original cost for that movie was that. My fee, story, screenplay, dialogue, direction, production, executing the film was collectively 20. After the 20 lakhs, I spent 10 lakhs on helping other things at college. I have no money. I travel by ST bus in. I've come here in a car this time because the college is going to give me connects. Otherwise, I would have come on a bus. मेरे बच्चों की I'm not sure. गरीबी बुरी चीज नहीं. Work सिपा. I'm not work children. Don't I heard one very sweet man say, I will let that student die, I won't tell them because they use things against what I say. That's very sad to कि तुम्हारे गुरु मतलब हमारे गुरु ने को गुरु बोसी कि हम हमारे गुरु को My daddy used to say example is better than instruction. I have 5 weeks. I want to tell you all what I sent my guru. Because you all can read it. I have just said it on our Lagan group. And I sent it before I came here. So, please read this.
And Sasho and paper workshop for an NYDWTU and putting up through at least step of the way as I've learned so much from you.
Guys, I want to tell you all, किसके वो भाई? I want to tell you all, दिल से सीखो, खुले दिल से मेहनत करो. Guys, मेहनत, you will find 100 reasons to give, to not do it back. Because it's tough. You will find 100 reasons, guys. यार ये नहीं होता. And if you all are going to get complacent and use any other excuse, I tell this to my children. You will get divorced and you will go back. Because you will not be compatible. You will not work with your family. You will not work with a bad person, a lazy person. It's just too personal. I can't. I find it. देखो बेटा, आज तुम्हारे माँ बाप तुम्हारे फीस भर रहे हैं, अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह, शुक्र. लेकिन कब कर? एक दिन तो हमको दुनिया में बाहर निकलना. My ego has made me stay where I am. It could have taken me for. Someone told me something, अरे यार जो किससे बात कर रहा है? Hey, किससे बात? I lost. So I am telling you all as a failure. Don't let these things put you back. I all understand. Love you guys. Thank you for being here all these days. But remember my words. Everything else, the structure, everything else you will learn. Work ethic, mehnat, struggle. If you start to see what is wrong, खुदा के बंदे है, खुदा तुम, गुलजार सा. We will always have something that we will be doing though. And to my lovely teachers, I want to I'm very grateful.